Hi guys, we're gonna change clock spring on a Kia Cee'd. A clock spring like this. Here we got the spare one. We're gonna replace it in a minute. So first thing we have to do is to take this airbag mount on the steering wheel, pry out from this side. It will pop out in a second, like this. See, it's popped out this side. Move the steering wheel to the right to remove the left side. Again, put the screwdriver in the hole and pry it out. Press it in and it pops out like this. And the third one, I'll show you. It's over there. Should pop out in a second. Right, popped out. So the airbag mount is out. Next thing you need to do to remove the wires. So this is the first wire. Just pull it out like this. There you go. This is first wire. Second wire, what you need to do is pull out this orange clip. Yeah, like this. The next is pull out. There you go. Okay, it's free to remove this airbag mount. Right? Place to the side. Next thing you need to do is get a spanner, 21, number 21 spanner. There you go. And remove the bolt on the steering wheel. Just wiggle out the steering wheel carefully and it comes out. Just wash these wires. There you go. It's out. And then be careful and take out this wiring clip here. There you go. It's out. You need to do is to remove 3 screws. 1, 2, and the third one is at the bottom over there. Okay. Okay, once you took all the 3 screws out, you need to pry this plastic out to expose the clock spring there. This is it. This is the clock spring. Right. It can go bad over time. So, okay. Expose the clock spring. This clock spring is mounted in 3 places too. So one is over there at the top and 2 at the sides, left and right. You get the screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and remove the 3 clips holding the clock spring. Okay, now I replaced the clock spring. This is the old one which gone bad, and the airbag light was on because of this faulty clock spring. Okay, once you replace the clock spring, put these plastics on and the 3 screws attached to it. Okay, once in place, the plastic covers. This is the old one, this is new one. Once in place, next thing you need to do is put the steering wheel back on. Next thing, you put the bolt in and fasten it properly. Now we have to check if the airbag light's gone off. Okay, start the car. There you go, the airbag light's off. All fixed.